Hello everyone, hope you can see me. Let's wait till a few more people join. Okay, hello everyone, thanks for joining the session on tech tools for prototyping. So I'll give, okay. Hi guys, so I'll give a brief introduction about me. So myself Shibin, I work with techstars.com. It's a venture capital based out of Boulder, Colorado. We collectively invest in 500 companies every year through our different accelerators across 50 countries. So today I'm here to talk about tech tools for prototyping. Okay, I'm going to disable my video. I think internet is too slow. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about tech tools for prototyping today. So, uh, to be very honest, there are a lot of tools available in the market for creating your prototypes. I know everybody is working on different ideas, and like everybody want to build some prototype of your product ideas, or maybe a website or a mobile app to show you what exactly the product is. So, there are a lot of products in the market which can help you to build prototypes. So, but today I'm gonna talk only about a single product known as Proto.io due to time constraint. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how a prototype which is built using Proto.io looks like. So this is the platform, and you can create. This is the home screen when you sign up for the platform, and you can see a few templates which is already in the home page when you open the Proto.io homepage. So I'm going to show you a template which is already here in Proto.io. So there is a sample project which is designed for iPhone 8. Let's see how it looks like. So this is how the prototype looks like when you. This is the looks after when you create the prototype. So this is the preview. You can create a simple an app which looks like exactly a working mobile app. So here is how it looks like. This is an app to order a smoothie. I'll show you how it looks like. All the buttons are working. You can click on continue. If you click on some other places, you need to design where exactly you want the user to click the buttons. You can go for see details. It's so similar to a proper working app, and you can even uncheck check out and even to the number of servings, and you can place the order, and the order is successfully placed. This is a sample app which is created by proto.io in the template. So I can take you back to the backend where exactly how we designed this. So go to proto.io homepage. You can see edit button. This is how exactly the preview you just saw looks like in the backend. You can start creating your own designs. You can start creating your own actions depending upon whatever use case you need to do. For example, the homepage looks like this, and you can even add more things. Like tell you something like maybe you want to add a new UI. You can just add a new button. Let's put drag and drop a button, and it's added to the screen. See, and similarly, you can put whatever you want in your screen. This is just like a drag and drop tool to create your prototype, and you can do actions for that. For example, if you click on this button, there is an option known as actions here, which is similar to a lightning button. And when you click on that, in the right side, you can start adding interactions. When you click on interactions, see, let's put a name for plus button, and you can trigger whatever you want. So maybe You can add screenshots, anything. So if a new interactions comes in, for example, you can design the button to move to a particular screen. Which screen you want to go, you can just select it here. And even if you need any transitions, you can do that, fade in, and we have a lot of the options here as well, and you save the interactions. And when you go to the preview, it will reopen the app, and the button is here. If you click on the button, it will do actions accordingly. And similarly, you can add different buttons and anything, whatever you want, you can add to this. And this is how is prototype, which is created in mobile app prototype, which looks like this. And you can even add different prototypes. Maybe let's start with a simple project, a blank project. Maybe let's build a website. Let's put Coopathon sample, and you can start creating. So this is a very blank page, and when you start creating, when you click on the preview button, you can see how exactly the apps look like or the website look like in initial. This is blank, and you can start adding components to it. Let's do some UI elements. Let's put a submit button. You can do whatever you want. This is, see, whatever you put into the page, it is simply displayed in the page. See, this is actually, you can just add elements to your sample prototype, and you can do actions as well. So when you click on this, there's a button known as actions here, and you can design the actions accordingly. Click on here, and you can add interactions. Let's see. Let's put an interaction. Let's put test one. On tap, you need to type an action. For example, so maybe we can put something like go to screen or particular screen. So since we only have one screen, we need to add one more screen. Okay. I'm going to add one more screen to make it simple. Let's put something, just put an icon, and this is the second screen. Go to first screen, click on the button and click on the interaction, and you need to put something like add an interaction. Let's put button click, and on you can see, make sure whatever you want. Let's put tap here to do a touch event, and the action is go to the another screen, select the next screen, screen 2, save interaction. And when you open the preview, you can see how it looks like. Your sample prototype is ready, and if you click on this button, it will move to next stage, next screen. See how it looks like? Click on the button, it's moving to next screen. So similarly, you can create whatever you want. You can create, and this is how exactly our sample projects looks like. So they only created a lot of pages, and there is a transition in between each pages. So when you click on this one, it's moving to another screen. This is like just like random screens with just pictures on it, and Proto.io is making this interactable. So this way you can actually create something or create a basic design with your logos, whatever you want, and you can show people or like pitch to people how exactly the products look like. And this is all about the Proto.io platform. So it's very easy. You don't need to be a tech code. You don't need to code, or it's so simple to create. And I think there are also platforms like InVision, Mockups, and many other platforms. You can even make use of that as well. But from my understanding, what I feel like this is one of the simple tool which you can use without any tech. You don't need to be you don't need to know anything about the tech side of all these products. It's just like simple, and start creating all this uh, examples. You can see a lot more examples here, or you can even download from online about how this look with different templates. And if you're a team of more than 3 or 4 or 5 people, you can even add users as well. And I'm using a 15 days trial plan as of now, and I think this is enough for you guys for this program. And even if you need this platform for a long time, you can even start paying and using this. So thank you for joining. I'm not going to stop the session. So this is all about the platform. So let's put a Q&A so that you guys can ask me questions. And if you have any doubts or especially about any other programs or any other tools, feel free to ask me. I'll be here. So Kurian, how about like doing a Q&A right now?
Hi. Um, so, if you have any kind of doubts, you can actually paste in the right side. So we have a Q&A option, or you can raise your hands. We can directly ask you, Shibu.
I just commented the link in the chat. You can see the proto.io link from the chat, and you can start using that platform.
Um, Anyone have doubts? Please post in the Q&A session so that Shibu can answer all those things. Or else, please raise your hands so I can pass your mic.
So answering to your questions. So the first question is, can we use the program for free? Yes, you can use the program for free for the first 14 days. This is a paid platform, but for programs like this, you can actually create a demo account using your any of the email ID, and you can use that one for first 14 days. And after that, you have to pay for that, obviously. And the second question is, are apps created to be used in Loom video pitching? Of course, yes. You can use this prototypes and create the Loom videos so that it is like more self-explanatory and to make your video so good. Can we use, the third question is, can we use offline? Uh, as of now, the platform is not available offline. You have to use this platform in any one of your browser. Okay, the fourth question is, this program can animate prototype. Obviously, you can use, there's a lot of options. I'll give you, for example, if you want to do animations, I'll go through that. Just a minute. The first part is you can add transitions to whatever transition you want from one page to another, and other than that, you can also add animations when you select actions. So in actions, sorry, my laptop got stuck. Just a minute. Sorry about that. So what you want to do is check for the inspector and see the options to animate uh, in the actions page. You can do that. So the fifth question: what's the next step after this prototype if you need to test it or expand user base? So the thing is, I think this question is from Ganesh Gopal. Ganesh and to this. One sec. One more question. Okay, so what you want to do is, like, this platform, you can use this platform for the only for the purpose of like showing people about how the programs looks like. And if you want to create a particular product and you need to add invite users, you need to create an MVP which is a working product. So for that, you need to use other tools like glide apps and things like that. This is just a tool to create a prototype to see how a product looks like, or to show people how a product looks like. And and the sixth question is there a tool for that you would recommend, or would you ideally suggest building an application from scratch before going for validation? Exactly, yes. So there are a lot of, I know a lot of people are not more into the tech side or not into the development side. So there are a lot of platforms online which can be used to create products without even knowing a single line of, or even or without writing a single line of code. So there are a lot of tools on that side. I'll do one thing. I'll put all the links of all the tools which you can use for creating MVPs, and also maybe even more prototypes in our Slack channel. You can also ping me in Slack at the rate Shibin. In the Slack, I'll be available there all the time. Okay, the next question is from Agus. For the purpose of pitching, can we use other prototyping tools? Obviously, yes. So the thing is, like, there are a lot of tools in the market which can be used to build prototypes, but for due to time constraint, I'm just like restricting to a particular single platform, or like a very easy platform which can be used by everybody. Sorry about that. You can use any of the platform for prototyping. I think we are done with the questions. Okay, so do one thing. I'll be available in the Slack in the name at the rate Shibin. You can chat with me or talk to me anytime, and ask me any question on whatever you want. So thanks a lot for attending the session, and see you in Slack. Have a great day, guys, and all the best for your ideas and the products you guys are working on.